I'm playing Teardown. Do I normally have music on the things? I don't know. Chill. What is this? Chill? The music for me is a bit distracting. Hopefully it's alright. But this is my Nerdcube Voxel Creations map. I decided to just test out my new GPU while playing on stream and stuff. I'm just gonna check my actual stream. 1 second. Yeah, it's fine. I had this music on last time. Dan played on this for Dan Cubed for a stream and a video, which was fun. I haven't streamed in a while because I've been trying to find the time, but I may be able to pick it up back again. I'd really like to. Oh yeah, I've got these fireworks. That's fun. What the hell happened there? These are the schematics from Minecraft to voxels. I don't know why that's empty. Wait. Why is that empty? Empty is in not connected. Alright, maybe just... Why did... Oh, that's why, because they're made of glass. This is all made of glass. I'm sorry for talking randomly. This is Harold or Flurb, as Dan likes to say, with an interior because it's transferred from World Edit from schematic to forgot what I was going to say. Using file to a vox, which I can convert schematics, CSVs, PNGs, whatever, into voxels and put it into Teardown, which I've done here. And I hope you can hear me, by the way. I've got my mic in front of my mouth, sort of. And I have got a lightsaber, that's the word. I'm good at words today. Lightsaber and slow mode. Where's my lightsaber gone? Lightsaber? Oh, there you are. Here's Matt, and let me just kill Matt in slow-mo mode. I completely ruined his face there. What about on Big Matt? Bonk. If you can hear any background noise with kids outside or anything, I apologise. Kill Matt. Let me just check something. I am just checking if I'm live and stuff. I get very distracted. Kill Steve, kill Rebecca, they're all blood. I need to pull up my thing. There we go. In fact, I may regret this, but if you want to chat and if you're a new follower, I will put it on for about 10 minutes. I only have that on because of the hate rates and everything, so sorry for me talking too loud there. For the hate rates and everything, because there's new bots, so they're newly created accounts and stuff. Anyway, I'm rambling. Here is me. I should do that, yeah. Here's me and my icons and what I use for my icons and stuff. We have a gender fluid flag because I am gender fluid. And here's the Lego town. I know you've all seen this probably before, but I'm just going through it. Here's my smart. I think this is. Oh, I did not click that. Apparently, clicked so the meteor would go down. I don't know why. The thing I saw on Dan's video is because yes, there's supposed to be 2 guinea pigs on that cloud, but it's knuckled, meaning you can only see it if you go up to it. I don't know why. When the rest is still here, but those aren't. I honestly don't know why. So that's the thing. Anyway, this is probably my first NerdCube fan art I did actually. With Chibi, Rebecca and Dan, and Chibi, Matilda and Reagan, rest in peace. And this is my latest one, which is Ooblets. Rebecca's Ooblets. I love this one. Because it's got gloopy long legs and some others, and Rebecca with a moustache. I'm hoping you can hear me. Let me just, yeah, you should be able to hear me. Yeah. This is NerdCube Fam. I've liked doing these with, it's Lilith and a Matilda. I love the design of this. I did. Better than the chibi ones, because they're actually looking like dogs. No, I love it. And Soup and Simon and for Jeff and Reese and stuff like that. And Penny and Peanut and Reagan. You obviously they're on the cloud because they've sadly passed away. And I think we only have 2 now, don't they? With a little Eli. I love it. And why is that black? I don't know why that is black. I will. 1 second. Go onto this. Right, I need to fix up something. Shit. Hold on a second. I just don't want to reveal anything. Maybe voxel creations name, small versions done. You can see this, and apparently it's it's white on here. I need to mask some unused colours, I think. That's probably why. And I can hit restart. That will probably have fixed Dan's shirt being black. I hope. No, it hasn't. Usually it's because I don't know. I don't know why it's black. Should be white. I can show in there, but it's not. I don't know why art is doing that. Here's Steve and happy birthday, Steve. Of course, and here's fuck yeah video games. Here's my fuck yeah video games thing. I have got a link to this map if you want it somewhere. Let me just go on to Twitter because I know where it is. In fact, yeah, it's somewhere. If you want a link to this map, then here it is. I passed it in. Dan put a link to this map in the description of this video when he recorded it. Not that. I say words good. When he made the video and when Matt made the video and stuff. I'm rambling on now. But yeah, I've got another thing I can show you. But this is my Netgear Voxel creations that I love. And here's the cars and stuff I put in. I'm gonna see if I can run over Dan, Rebecca and Steve all in one. 3, 2, 1. Ah, Matt. You're not getting away from my running over of you. Apparently you are. But I love this. So I can just ram into the legs. Oh, and yeah, I put the boundary there. So you don't run off the edge. Bonk. And bonk. And I fixed everything with this map. So you can yeet Matt up into the air again. And just boom. Apparently it's oh yeah, do freeze in place when I put him down there. But Dan is it's lagging because it always lags. Fact, let me just check. Right now I'm using 28% of my CPU and 30% of my GPU. Let me just restart that in 1 second. But I'm going to show you another thing. I've got all of these. This is what I've been making so far. I'm just going to go and edit. This is what I've been making. It's the Teardown Plebeius heist. I've already done the intro or slash starter level, and I want to show you a trick I've done, which is I haven't done this area because you can't see it. Like the boundary is up to here, so you can't really see that end. I'm just gonna make sure, yeah, I am thing. my stream quality is good because I've got a new GPU. But I've only done up to the amount you can see here. Hopefully you can hear me. Let me just check that. Testing, testing, testing. Can hear me. Let me just check that. Testing. Testing, test. Yeah, you can. You can. Oh, and I want to say thank you to Hoss00312 for the 9-day follow, because there's my follower. It's such hardest. But this is the starter level of the Teardown Plebeius heist. This is sneak peeking into it. But oh well, I'm not really that bothered about spoiling it. Let me just take a breather, because I talk too fast. I'm not bothered really about spoiling it. This is my overview map I won't go into. Currently I've got my thank you audio on this, but it is going to be replaced. And I've got one game mode at the moment, which is medium. I'm just going to turn off pretzel rocks. There we go. I've got a couple of game modes on my heist map. In fact, I need to audio. There we go. So this is what I've built up so far. It's the lab. It's gone pretty good. I've got all of the environment down, and the lighting and everything. I'm just gonna play around with this. Apparently when I I'll turn it down to 50% medium. But anyway, I've got all of this down. Hold on 1 second. Turn down the music for myself. I've got all of this down. There isn't much else to do. There's a target there, and there's a few others. I think this is easy or medium. I was gonna have that as a gift, but I can't because it likes out the map apparently, as I found out. So I've got 2 wings, one on this side and one on the other side with 2 floors. And then I've got a 3rd floor up here where, let me just navigate through this and then hopefully not knock over the alarm. This is my Plebeius vault, and this is where the main target is. I want to show you where you can actually but I didn't mean to do that. I want to show you where the entire room of the vault isn't destructible, but a part of it is. I'm not going to show you where that part is, because spoilers, even though I'm technically spoiling all of this. Oh well, these don't have interiors, because I don't want to make interiors, because you can't really see it. And this boundary goes up to about here, all along, through there, all along, and to here. The boundary is there for so you don't go to the other parts of the map. And these cars and stuff, all drivable of course. And I've got an excavator and a thing, I can't remember the name, crane there, so you can use that. And over here I've got some explosive cans and stuff, and there's more in here, so if you want to use them to plan out your heisting, then you can. I think I've got some more in somewhere. Oh no. I've got a method to get all of the... One second. There we go. Scroll lock is my mute button. I've got a method to get all of these targets. So, but I won't show you that either. Now, this map, this Teardown plebiscite of mine, doesn't need much else to do. I've got a few things left to do on it, but not much. There's one special thing which I need to continue doing, and then there's another like level which is just a museum sort of thing. These are alarms. I mean, yeah, they are alarms. I mean, they light up. Should I show you that? Yeah, sure. So I've got lights going all around the building and all in the building. This is a fun little thing. I don't know when I can get this map out, but hopefully early this month. Hopefully. I should make those pick up about... Oh well. You can burn them. If you have any questions about this map or anything, then feel free to ask. I've been working on this for like several weeks now. Maybe even a month. I don't know. I don't keep track. Also, these are just don't have interiors as well. Because I don't need to make interiors if you don't see them. There is one interior on this one because you can go back to the heist room if you'd like to. I probably need to edit up this, but it doesn't matter. But yeah, yeah, I was gonna play some more of this, but I feel like I've shown you everything. I don't know what to do now. In fact, I think I'm gonna play some sandbox, or that's too loud. I'm gonna play some actual Teardown though. Maybe some challenges. I don't pick up minutes start possible avoid regard helicopter. Yeah, sure. I'll play some actual Teardown now. Oh, I've not heard that before. I've got mods on. But so let me just turn down the music. Hopefully it's not too loud. And let me just check some things. 1 second. I'm just checking my... And there's the guard helicopter. And where's the targets? Oh, the one's over there. Got that. So... Run! Run! Get in the car. Ah shit! Ah shit! You can't see me. Shit, 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 shit. Ah, wrong one. Now get in, please. Thank you. It's right there. So I need to get into it. Right. I've closed down Streamlabs, sorry about that. There we go. I need to get into there somehow. So I'm creating a run. Target. Thank you. Ow. Shit. Please. Done. Thank you. Alright, I'm doing that. 1 second. Thanks, Welsh dude, for following. I don't know why my followers are not working. Why are they not working? Maybe because they're not in front of the thing. I don't know why my followers are not working. Alert box. Audio captures. But that should have worked. I don't know why it didn't. I just moved that, sorry for that. Hold on. Anyway, yeah. Well, what was I doing? I'm going up to there. Also, I should note I've got a 10-minute follow on the mod for my cat because of the hit rates that are going on. And so I don't know how long I'll have that on for. I just want to add it as a precaution because, yeah. Can I jump up there? I can't. Well, I can, but I'm gonna get shot at. Fuck it. Run, run. Get in the bloody door, thank you. Guard with a target. Where's the next one? I've just been there. God damn it. How am I gonna get this one? Fuck it, run, run, jump. I didn't jump. Fuck me. Fuck everything. Now get in the butt. Thank you. Ouch. Right, I need to get up to there somehow. Not getting shot at. Fuck you. Right next to my mic there, sorry for that. Fuck you. I didn't mean to do that. Ouch. I was angling my mic, helicopter. Fuck you. Now I need to get to there somehow. Hopefully you don't see me. Nothing's happening. I'm gonna run. This may be a mistake. Get in. Thank you. And one extra. I've got an itchy nose. Ow. Need to get there. Is it on the floor? I don't know. can use my pipe bombs, which I think because I've forgotten. I got mods on. I have mods on, even. Fuck you. Ouch. I'm saying ouch, but I'm going from building to building with holes. Hopefully I can do this. Open the door. Oh, that's a good screen. It's up here. Open the door. Thank you. Another target. One over there now. Where is my shotgun? Hope the stream's not laggy. I've got a new GPU. RTX 2060. If you're wondering. Let's go up to here. And hopefully I can get into there without being shot much. There's one. Where's the other? It's right up there again. I need to get into there. Ouch. This was a slight mistake. Oh man, so I can get through. I think I'm doing good actually. I realise I'm not talking straight into the mic at the moment. 7. Oh sugar, my god, bugger. All those words in one. I need to get through to here. Out. I need to get through to here. I can speak. Through to there. Ouch, ouch. Now. I could use my physics gun, but that would be cheater. I shouldn't have it. That's why I'm trying to make as much area as possible. And 3, 2, 1. Grab. Safe and sound. Now over there again. I think I'm doing good actually. Sort of. Jump on this, jump on that. Go back into here. And then I need to come reach over there. Jump. Fail. I need my thing to make a ball or path or whatever. And then make a mistake. I've run out of shotgun. Rockets. Jump, jump, jump. Make a mistake. Sorry about the background noise. Right, I need to get to you. Hopefully, you can drop down. Please drop down, thank you. I need to go back. Now, how am I gonna go back? Come on, come on. Bomb. I should have walked out the way there. I've made a mistake with blowing that up. Now there's one over fucking there. Run, jump. Go through here. Grab this again. And I feel like I'm really doing good actually. It's just moving in between the buildings because they've got shelter. And then back over there. Jump, jump, shit, 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 not shit. And then jump over here. Put a bomb there so I can get through. Once the smoke dissipates, I can actually see. Put a bomb there. Yep. I can't see at the moment. Grab. Back over there. Again. Oh, I'm gonna need the extinguisher. So, because if I go in that, I'm gonna get burnt. There we go, that should be fine. Grab. Right, where? Back over there again. God damn it. Can't see. I'm sorry about the background noise if you can hear it. It's just cars and stuff going across my street. Right. Let's go over to here. I'm gonna remove this before I destroy myself. And there. Safety first. Now I need to go back over there. So I'm back and forth between the buildings, but I am doing good. He says while I'm not finding the hole. And don't take that out of context. I need a entranceway. There we go. Now I need a path. And where is it again? Oh, fuck you, why do you have to be over there? There's two. Why is there two helicopters? I'm surprisingly doing well for two helicopters. But God fucking damn it. Fuck you. It's right over there as well. Why do they have to be so far away? Let me just this. Oh god damn, I'm surely gonna fuck this up. Oh, no. Go into the crate. And then I need bombs. Ouch. Fuck me, fuck me, fuck me, fuck me, fuck me. I'm done. Actually. Bomb. I'm gonna die. Here. Ah, shit. I did well then. For two helicopters that I didn't know was two helicopters, I did surprisingly I can speak. Surprisingly well for that. I like that. That was good. That was really good. 1 second while I just check some stuff. In fact, I might have to end the stream in about an hour or so because it's getting a bit warm in here. I'm getting distracted by Discord. Anyway, I'm here. Let's play campaign because I want to continue with this. I think I wasn't far with it. Flooding. Oh my god. Flooding due to power plant, you moved everything upstairs, blah blah blah. Hold of these documents. Okay. 1 second. I just opened my door a bit more, so window, so sorry if you can hear the background noise. So are these alarmed? I'm guessing yes, because I shouldn't use no clip. In fact, for now I'm just gonna go on the challenges. Let's try mayhem. I like mayhem. You destroy as much as possible within 60 seconds. Destroy 100 voxels within 60 seconds. So that's fun. I guess if I destroy this. Ah, right, there's a threshold, isn't there? There's a limit. And apparently you can't get through. I could cheat this. There's no targets, what was I'm looking at? You know what, I'm just gonna thing. Do that. And then ouch. I can't see. Yeah, try that. Yeah. Hopefully I can destroy. I should have set this up, but it doesn't matter. And then cheat. Fuck it. Yeah. That's pretty. I know I'm cheating, but I just want to have fun. Oh, did I not do it? I know I cheated. It's still going. Bonk. Ouch. The screen's filled up with red. I know I cheated there, but I wanted to have fun. I was getting distracted by Discord, sorry. I know this stream's been a bit all over the place. I have got a few other maps here, like occasional apartments. Yes, apartments. Sorry if I'm talking too much into the mic, like loud or anything. This is updated since I last saw it. This is occasional apartments. With a lot of apartments around, and I feel like these are just copied one to one, blah blah blah. Let's try and blow this up. Like always with tight tape. I can speak today. Like always with Teardown. Now, will this fall over? Apparently not, because I need to blow up this part. Now, will it fall over? No. Because of this. Apparently not, because of the one voxels and stuff. I wasn't looking at it. Timber. If I do this on slow mo. Alright. Oddly enough, when it's slow mo, the FPS goes up. That's weird. I don't know what it's doing. Oh God. I shouldn't have done that. Oddly enough. Teardown. Oh God, what did I just do there? I can't get back onto the game. I think I may have just crashed the game. Maybe not. I need to do not that. Oh oddly enough, when this is happening, the GPU usage goes down because of Teardown. Anyway, let's click restart. And let's go on to something else. Oh, and yeah, I want to show you this one. I have 3 maps. This was my first map I made, which was just basically showing off my voxel art in game with all the lights and stuff. This is very basic, but this was Tales from the Loop with my lights here. I think these are cone lights, and these lights here, area lights, lighting up this. And let me just turn it up so you can hear a bit of it. I think it's sound or music. Might be sound. It's got the beating heart, which is just a loop, and I like that. I really like that actually. Let me just turn it up. Bit quiet, but you can hear it. You can hear it tick over, but I can't really do much about that. This was my first map, and then this was my second. My pixel art style asset pack. I don't know how many people have used this already, but I want to make another, but I don't have the idea yet. And then, of course, this was my third one with my Nerdcube voxel creations. The thing that transferred over well was this. Got versus the pixel art, because it's just 2D and flat. Hopefully you can. 1 second. Anyway, yes, this is just flat 2D, so it transferred over easily. Now, I've kind of tired myself out, so I'm sorry for the short stream. Let me do is put on pretzel rocks again. I'm sorry for the short stream, I do want to pick it up again. But I just need to find the time and sort things out. For now, this has been Teardown. That was an ice cream truck going past my street. God damn it. Can you shut up? Anyway, I know this has been a short stream. I do want to pick it up again, like I always say. But, yeah, it's just finding the time to. If you want to know what these podiums say.
I have been watching Dan for nearly 7 years, and during those 7
Cookie,
years, he
what
pretty
a
much
friend
made
of
me
mine.
the person I am today.
Hold on. Good point. That.
Not only did he influence my life in terms of gaming, but also in terms of what I can
Thank you,
study
that from
and what my
one
general
of my
preferences
friends.
are. Through him, I found out about one of the nicest and most wonderful person, and that is Rebecca. It's always so nice to talk to them during Dan's Twitch streams, whether it is them on the stream or in chat. Dan's videos never fail to cheer me up, and I don't have the words to explain how grateful I am, and I hope that I'll be able to meet him and Rebecca in person someday.
Yep. This is Nerdcube Voxel Creations, and you may not know who Nerdcube is. He's a streamer, YouTuber, author, actor, who I've watched a lot, and this is what all this map is for. And also my thank you note. I've been watching Dan's videos for a very long time now. To the point do know I'm not actually talking right now, it's just all this. Through that time, Dan has brought me all the laughter and joy to my life. I'm ever so grateful for Steve, Rebecca, Matt, and of course Dan for being who they are. Through the whole of Nerdcubed, I've found some of the most loveliest online friends I could ever ask for, and it's changed my life by so much. So just from the bottom of my heart, thank you all so much. And there's an addition. Yep, and there's the additional on that. And for Peter checking out the map, honestly thank you a lot. It's a joy to see people who want to look at all the creations I've made here and have absolutely all the more fun destroying them. I like that. It's just a small thank you note. Anyway, I've been playing this for about an hour now. Let me just turn down the sound to about there-ish. I've been playing this for an hour now, and hold on a second. Pretzel rocks, you can see my things there. Playing this up for an hour now, and I know it's been a short one and I'm rambling too much, but thank you for watching. I generally do enjoy streaming. But anyway, I'll try and pick up streaming again maybe at some point later this week or later this month or whatever. I don't have a schedule, but I would like to do some more streaming of different games and whatnot. I just destroyed a bit of Frank there. Anyway, I think that's going to be about it for me. Thank you for coming, and I'll show you this auto launch and auto launch and explosion size 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Explosion equals true. Anyway, I as I destroy Matt with these fireworks, I'm going to leave it there. So thank you for coming and goodbye. Where's that? There it is. Destroy Matt with fireworks. And a bit of Steve, Rebecca and Matt. Steve, Rebecca and Dan. Rebecca's hair's on fire. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it there. So, thank you for coming, and yeah, goodbye. Enjoy the music for a bit.